Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by building a single source of truth, a sheet named for the income year. Create columns for date, source, amount, category, notes, and taxable, so every entry is consistent. Once done, import bank CSVs and digital receipts into a raw data tab to avoid data loss and allow auditing. You do this now so formulas stay simple later. Consistent column headers let you filter and pivot without guessing which row means what. Make sure imports keep date formats intact. Now normalize entries. Create a small mapping table and use VLOOKUP or index/match to turn free text sources into standardized categories. You then build an income tab that uses SUMIFs to aggregate amounts by source, month, and taxable flag, which makes reporting instantaneous. Once your formulas are in place, add data validation drop-downs for category and taxable, so future rows conform. Also apply conditional formatting to highlight negative amounts or missing dates. This prevents broken totals downstream and saves time when reconciling. Finish by reconciling. Import your bank monthly totals and compare them to your income tab using a reconcile sheet that flags differences. Once matched, create summary charts and an export tab that formats quarterly and yearly reports for tax or bookkeeping. If things go wrong, run filter to isolate rows where amounts or dates differ and wrap lookup calls with IFRR to expose bad inputs. Make sure to lock formulas with protected ranges so accidental edits don't break your calculations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.